Lola, it's Charity calling from Northern Gratis Schools. I would just like to inform you that Ranchi Boost is sick, so he won't be able to do the lunch class today, Tuesday, at 12:30. If you have any questions, give me a call at 905-726-8886. That's 905-726-8886. Sorry again, but he's not able to make the lunch class today because he's not feeling good. So he's reserving his energy for the kids tonight. Okay, thank you and have a wonderful afternoon. Bye-bye. Don't play with Lola. What are you doing? What are you doing? Is that Lola? Where's Lola? Can't see Lola because he's black. Lola? Look at mommy. Lola? Where's Lola? Lola. There's Lola. There's Lola. Where's Lola? Where's Lola? No, he'll bite you. Careful, he'll bite you. Now you're not supposed to be playing with mommy's clean laundry. Hey? Did he bite you? Did he bite you? Did he bite you? Mommy see. Mommy see. Mommy see. Ah, it was just a scratch. It's a good scratch though. Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going? Careful. Careful, baby girl. We have to find a gate for the stairs. That's how long the stairs are. There she is. See that? How many steps that is? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There's the little girl. Go say hi to daddy. Go say hi to daddy. Up. Don't crawl. Up. Walk. Don't crawl. Go say hi to daddy. Go say hi to Daddy. Walk, walk. Don't crawl. There's your sick dad. Go. Go, go.
Let sick daddy sleep.
You know what she did? She climbed up the stairs by herself. Say go, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Okay, Daddy's sick, okay? Daddy's sick. Just go kiss Daddy. And then we're going down. Okay? Go kiss Daddy. Just a kiss. Go kiss Daddy. Go. Just a kiss. You're sick too?
If she stays close to me, yeah, she will be.
Just give Daddy a kiss, okay? Just a kiss. Oh. Just give Daddy a kiss.
No headbutt.
No headbutt. There's Daddy. Daddy. Just give Daddy a kiss. Good girl.
Good girl.
Okay, come on. What are you doing? Okay. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good girl.